So today I thought I'd give another devlog. If you've watched before, you would notice that I'm on a completely different project now. The last project was great, but I decided to shelf it just because the scope was just too big, and I'm working on a far more manageable project right now. So I want to make a game kind of like Factorio, but instead of conveyor belts and machines and all this, all you have are these small little cubes that you can program to do stuff. So if you want a conveyor belt, you program a machine to pick up an item and go somewhere, for example. And yeah, I think this could be a really interesting game. So just to show what I already have, if I hit play, you can see I have a UI and everything. So if I click on one of these, you can see I can set a so-called schematic. So I can set it to move right, and you can see it'll start moving right. Set this to move left, and you can see they're all like running this schematic. And I have like full collision, so they all work like this. Now if we open here, you can see I have a code editor here, and you can see all these schematics are actually running Python code. So most of this is boilerplate, and what's important is everything here. So everything here will be executed every fixed update. So you can see all I have to move down script is every update, it will self.interface on move down, which obviously is the API call for move down. So yeah, this is full Python code, and you can see it works. I can even, if I set one of these to move down, I can even change it to move left or move right, and you can see the Python code, the script will execute and run something, and run the change code. So yeah, this should be quite a good system. I still need to work on some optimization and everything, but it works quite well. And just to show you, I can create a new schematic, and maybe we can implement something more complicated. So you can see right here, I just programmed a slightly more complicated behavior. Oh, I made a small syntax error, but no worries, we can fix this. You can see it is now behaving in a slightly more complicated way. So you can really disguise the limit here. I'm not using any variables here for simplicity, but I can set whatever variables I want and have the behavior change. But yeah, it's a fully programmable sort of robot system, and yeah, I quite like it. It's still a little bit buggy, like you'll see sometimes there's a lot of random bugs. There's no syntax checking or anything, so if you make a syntax error, which I think I did here, it just doesn't work, unfortunately. But there's all stuff to be added. This is of course just a code editor's problem, and I can add stuff later to make it better. Oh, I see an error here. I forgot to put the brackets. So we can just apply here, and you can see now it will apply to new behavior. So yeah, quite a powerful system. So from here, I of course just want to add more stuff. The eventual goal of the game would be to, sort of like Factorio, build up a sort of automated army of robots to do stuff, like mine resources or do research, generate power. So there's a lot of stuff for me to add, but I'm really happy with this way this turned out. If you're interested to see how to set this sort of in-game scripting up for yourself, just leave a comment and I'll make a video about how I set this up. But yeah, anyway, that's gonna be it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it interesting. And if you want to get more updates on how this project goes, just leave a subscribe. Of course, if you like the video, please leave a like. It really helps out. Anyway, I'll see you next time.